We all know that bullying occurs in children's playgrounds, high schools and workplaces. But what about universities?
I've never really fitted in, but I thought uni would be different.
Bullying can happen between students, between staff, and between students and staff.
I didn't report it at first. I thought they were just being stupid and it would blow over. But it started to get to me. I failed a few exams and I began to hate being here.
The effects of bullying can be debilitating for individuals and organisations.
Even though I was scared to report it, I did, because no one deserves to be treated like this.
I expect you won't be leaving until it's all done. She doesn't show the commitment needed around this place. She just clocks on and off as if 35 hours a week is enough. This is useless. As usual, you haven't contributed anything to this meeting. Why did you even bother to show up if it's not done? I'm sorry, we're going to have to reschedule.
Bullying can happen in public or in private, and always involves a pattern of unreasonable behaviour that intimidates, humiliates or degrades.
I don't think my team realises how much pressure I'm under.
Bullying can happen in all directions, downwards, upwards and sideways. The bully can be a man or a woman and of any age or background. Bullying is not acceptable to anyone, anytime or anywhere.
Look, it's getting late. Maybe you should go home. She's trying harder than I thought. Maybe I should find out what's going on for her. Maybe it's me. No one deserves to be treated like that.
What do you think of that Stella?
She's fairly ARC material.
When was the last time you saw her publish something?
Yeah. Oh, here she comes.
Witnessing bullying, it's terrible. It's hard to know what to do.
Bullying can happen in person, via email, on the phone and through online networks.
I could report it, but I'm worried that they would think that I am a whinger, and I just started working here.
Taking a step against bullying can be difficult, but whether you are the victim, bully or a witness, you need to do something about it.
I would not like it if it happened to me, so I decided to report it to our dean.
Bullying is not acceptable to anyone, anytime, anywhere. Do something about it. If you're a victim or a witness, report it. If you're a bully, think about your actions.